what's up, everybody? Take a look. I'm at Dollar Tree. I just got here from the flea market, which I did get to find this car also. Let me see, el tren. Yeah, and I also found a 2000 GT Nissan. But let's take a look what's in here, man. A ver, ven para acá. Alright, so I pretty much just put the case down. There's the treasure hunt. This is the J case. So we're looking at the Corvette. We're looking for the Corvette. There's the Volkswagen, the Tesla, another Tesla. There's the Barbie that everybody's going after. A McLaren. So far, no Corvette race days, which is gonna be the Super for this case. That J case. So 36 is pretty much half a box of the regular. So my guess, this one right here on top is gonna be the top or the other half, or that's what I'm hoping for at least. Let me go ahead and pause you guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and get that box. As you guys can see, it is completely sealed. So I'm gonna be the first one to get it open. Yeah. All right, here we go. Let's take a good look. There we go. Alright, we're gonna start over here. McLaren Senna. And this is a treasure hunt. This is a different case, H case. This one, I think it was the Mercury. I think so. So the Mustang, that's the one actually, or maybe the Mustang or the Mercury, I'm not sure, but nothing there. It might be another one, another box. I'll go ahead and take another look. Yeah, so didn't find any more Hot Wheels. This one looks a Matchbox. So let's see what's in here. Some Matchbox. This is a brand new case. I just opened it. Let's see what all is in here, man. Espérame. Matchbox, Sriracha. Take a look. All these stuff, we pretty much got it already. Just for the purpose of the video, I guess I'm just unboxing this real quick. Take a look. There's that pink. And that was all. That's all that there is in this Matchbox. But yeah, that's it, guys. Yeah, so that was it, guys. 2 of the Hot Wheels, 1 Matchbox, 2 regular treasure hunts, no supers. But if you get a chance, go to your closest Dollar Tree, because they will have them. I don't know if they got them this weekend, but I was given the heads up by Ruben Hernandez. Muchas gracias. And so I always thank you guys for watching. Yeah, now I'm home. So this is the haul for the weekend. Hopefully the quality now it's on point. Take a look. 65 Corvette, 3 out of 30. That's a lot of castings. But yeah, 65 Corvette, Spectra Flame, and the Mazda RX-7. Very, very nice in the red. Great casting, right hand drive, JDM. And the go-kart, sweet casting, not bad at all. And the Porsche 356 Outlaw, it's got something on the hood, I don't even know what it is. Something red. Sweet. And take a look at Chevy Impala, Lowrider. Very nice from the art cards. And this Datsun 240Z. Sweet casting as well. Just the temples on the sides and the hood with the blue interior. Left hand drive. And another Chevy Impala. This one is a 65. This one is very low rider, man. In the flames, it looks amazing. Take a look. 65, same casting, low rider. Different graphics, and it's got like a purple, pinkish window tint, which is great. Looks very, very nice. Sweet casting. And the one thing, man, take a look. A Lincoln Continental in the police graphics. That's just amazing. Not only that, this thing is very, very low. Lincoln Continental. Yeah. This thing is sweet. It's probably unique, man. I never seen such thing. Lincoln Continental with the police graphics. Take a look. Toyota 2000 GT in yellow. In the live stream, I said I only have it in black. And this 70s Toyota Celica. Once again, I know somebody was asking for it, but I don't remember the name, honestly. If you get back to me, man, we can trade that one. I know you wanted it. And so take a look. Fur Lady Z in blue. I might have this one, but I'm not 100% sure. Fair Lady Z. And the Jetsons. This could be like an error. Look at that. The blister glue, it's way off. It's sticking out. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the glue is like sticking out onto the right side. And the square backs, man. I remember I had bought these ones, but I don't know what happened to the haul, man. I can't find it. It's probably in the garage, but still, man. Pulling my hairs because I cannot find it. And it had these two and a couple Civics. Man, that thing was my number one on the list for JDM's haul. Oh man, I'm just like, I hope I find it, man, because that was a lot of good JDMs. It had a Supra, had a couple Civics, it was an exclusive, man. I even remember Rivera Hot Wheels wanted to trade that one Civic that came in the haul, but I don't know where it is now. Bone Shaker in green. The school bus. Surfing school bus. Very nice graphics. A lot of windows, so a lot of passengers. Very nice casting for sure. And down to the last three. Take a look, man. 75 Mac, CF, Matchbox County 33, Unit 11. Sweet casting for sure. Very nice. Matchbox, and I didn't realize the car was this bad. Maybe I bent it. I don't know. It's all good. Probably open it, and this one is going to my bro Devon. I'm pretty sure he's gonna like it, and if he doesn't, then oh well. Still going that way. And this bone shaker, man. There was a second one, and these are white. I should have grabbed it, but that's just another reason to go next Sunday. You know what I'm saying? So that's it, guys. I know the Dollar Tree was duds, but this is the haul for this weekend. If you guys didn't get to see the live stream, well, there you guys go. This was what I picked up at the flea market. So yeah, thank you guys, and stay tuned. See you, and stay hunting. Oh damn, I almost forgot this loose one. This is the one that I was telling you guys about, that I found loose along with the R34, I think it was, that my son grabbed. I don't even know where it went. It's probably in the car, but he wanted to play with it, so take a look, man. This is a right-hand drive. I do not have this one, or I didn't have it, whether loose or carded. This is my very first one. So yeah, man, this was a great find. Well, that's it for sure. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned. Yeah.